But we're going to begin with new cases of coronavirus shattering records. The state reports 40,692 new cases over the past 2 days. That averages out to more than 20,000 cases per day. Just for reference, on Wednesday, we saw 13,000 cases. The state is also reporting 259 new deaths.
The numbers in the 7-day moving average give you a sense of just how bad this spike really is. Back on Christmas Eve, we were averaging 5,800 cases per day. Now, 14 days later, that average is nearly 15,000.
The skyrocketing cases are bad news for those who are seriously ill, and bad news also for hospitals and testing sites that are starting to buckle from demand.
Sky 4 was up over multiple testing sites today with some really long lines. Mara McDonald kicks off our coverage tonight. She's live downtown. Mara?
Sandra, everybody, it seems, is looking for a COVID test, and the crew at clickondetroit.com has an entire tab on the homepage that is devoted to nothing but testing, with all the links as well as a searchable table. Let me show you. With Michigan now averaging a whopping 20,000 COVID cases per day, the search is on to find tests.
Right now, we're in the middle of an Omicron spike. We're catching up from the holiday numbers.
Whether it's rapid antigen or PCR, some people are fortunate enough to have rapid kits at home. But for everybody who is looking, you can head to clickondetroit.com. There is a whole tab about how and where to find testing. Lines at drive-through sites have been long. A dear friend of mine had a more than 2-hour wait yesterday to get his PCR test. Meanwhile, hospitals are being stressed with the volume of COVID patients coming through their doors and are begging you to get vaccinated and boosted. The daily average of more than 20,000 cases per day is like nothing this state has seen throughout the pandemic. Our last high total was just over 13,000.
I don't want to say that I'm not surprised, because I continually am surprised by how high the numbers seem to be able to go. But I suspect these numbers will, frankly, as trite as it sounds, keep going up until they go down.
Back here live, I just got an alert on my phone from the Michigan Department of Health and Human Services. The state has secured another federal civilian medical assistance team. This one's going to Henry Ford Hospital in Wyandotte. That means right now there are 5 of these teams that are being used all over Michigan to try and help out these various hospital systems that are truly stressed. We're live downtown tonight. I'm Mara McDonald, Local 4.
Yeah, stressed indeed. All right. Thank you, Mara.